Hi everyone, this is Robert. It is Saturday afternoon in between weeks 2 and week 3 as I record this video for you to get you ready for week 3. Your opinion pieces are due. A couple of you were concerned and sent me emails asking, was it something that you had to have on Wednesday? And I wrote you back and said no, Sunday is generally when assignments on a week are due. But as I told you before, we're all busy, we're all working, we have families, and what matters to me is that you get the work done before the term is over. Although it certainly helps if I have the opportunity to grade it, not all at once. So anyhow, do your best to get that work into me before the weekend is out. Okay, on to week 3. In week 3, we get into an area that most of you are deeply familiar with because you're already working educators, and that topic is employment, contracts, collective bargaining. This is really kind of the human resource segment of the book, and it gives you a sense of some of the underlying law that's there. And so you'll feel very comfortable with a lot of what you read there because you're probably used to it from your work. The last thing I want to talk about is I want to remind you that Wednesday evening at 6 p.m. we have our second synchronous session where we're all online in our Adobe Connect classroom. We're going to do a couple of things during that classroom. All right. The first thing is I want each of you to have prepared a short list of talking points about the impact of Proposition 13 and educational funding on you and on your workplace. There was a longer video that you were to watch this week, and I hope you have watched it because it gives you some great information about what's happened in California and to our funding system. Then on the basis of that, I want you just to prepare a few points to describe the impact of Proposition 13 on either where you work or where you live. All right? And we're going to conduct a conversation. You don't have to have anything written up. There's no written assignment to submit, but it's important that everybody participate. The other thing we're going to do during the Wednesday session is I'm actually going to show you a PowerPoint from my in-person class that I've taught in the past that highlights what I think are some of the most important points related to contract, collective bargaining, and employee discipline. And I think you'll find that that is an interesting supplement to the reading, and I hope it enriches our time together. We'll have 2 more face-to-face sessions, one in week 5 and one in week 7. And what I'm going to tell you is that most of those sessions are going to be taken up by you and your partner or partners talking about the case study, the presentation that you all prepare. And you'll get more content about that soon. Okay? So anyhow, thanks for listening. Have a great day, and I'll see you online Wednesday night. Bye-bye.